To enable or disable ringtone for Bluetooth calls in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select connections, and then tap Bluetooth. Next, tap Bluetooth more icon or three dot icon, select advanced settings. Next, on ringtone sync, tap switch until blue to enable or tap switch until gray to disable. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth device. If you tap OK, Bluetooth will be automatically turned off and on again. Reconnect your Bluetooth device to play ringtone. Okay. Use your phone ringtone when you get calls on connected Bluetooth devices. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.